eyes, looking back at me from the other side, like you understood me. And I'm never letting you go.